Good morning, all. Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given if x plus y plus z equal to 0, prove that x square plus y square plus z square by 2 into x power 5 plus y power 5 z power 5 by 5 is equal to x power 7 plus y power 7 plus z power 7 by 7. The question is given in 1957 Chinese mathematical competition. Okay, like this Olympiad logical critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update. Your subscription is very important. So minimum like the channel here. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? If not, you can continue the video. So here we are going to start the problem now. Okay, we are going to solve this in easy method. So here, first of all, you will write let us consider a polynomial. Let us consider a polynomial p of x is equal to x cube plus px plus q, whose roots are x comma y comma z. Then here we are having the values. Sum of the roots. Here we'll get x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So xy plus yz plus zx value you will get p, and xyz value will get minus q. So it is a polynomial. The sum of the roots is 0. Sum of the roots taken two at a time is p. Product of the roots is minus q. Now here he is asking to find x square plus y square plus z square. So this can be written as x plus y plus z whole square minus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. So here this value is 0. 0 square minus 2 into p. So this value is minus 2p. Now here adding the relation. Here we are adding the relation. So x cube is equal to minus px minus q. From this you can write x cube is equal to, here are sending px and q, px plus q, that side you will get a px minus q. Y cube is equal to minus py minus q. Z cube is equal to minus pz minus q. So what is the reason here? X comma y comma z are the zeros. X comma y comma z are the zeros, or you can say roots. So they will satisfy. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube. X cube plus y cube plus z cube will be minus px minus q minus py minus q minus pz minus q. So here we are taking minus p common. X plus y plus z minus 3q. So this x plus y plus z value is 0. So minus p into 0 minus 3q will get. This value is minus 3q. Now similarly we are going to find x to the power of 5, y to the power of 5 and z to the power of 4. Sorry, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 4 and z to the power of 4 value minus p into x square plus y square plus z square minus q into x plus y plus z. Here we will get a minus p of minus 2p minus q into 0. So here we will get 2p square x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4. But we required x power 5 value. X to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus z to the power of 5 value is minus p into x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus q into x square plus y square plus z square. Now if you substitute the values here, minus p of x cube y cube z cube is minus 3q minus q into x square y square z square value is minus 2p. So here what will get here, 3pq plus 2pq, you will get 5pq. Now if you take x to the power of 7 plus y to the power of 7 plus z to the power of 7 is equal to minus p into x to the power of 5 y to the power of 5 z to the power of 5 minus q into x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 z power 4. So this is minus p into x power 5 y power 5 z power 5 value is 5pq minus q into x power 4 value is minus 2p square. So total here you will get minus 5p square q minus 2p square q. This total will get minus 7p square q. So what is required here? You have to show, what you have to show is x square plus y square plus z square by 2 into x power 5 plus y power 5 plus z power 5 by 5 is equal to x to the power of 7 plus y to the power of 7 plus z to the power of 7 by 7. Now I am substituting the values minus 2p by 2 into, here we will get 5p cube by 5 is equal to minus 7p square cube by 7. So here we will get p square minus p square q, here we will get here also will get minus p square q. So therefore we can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore this values x square plus y square plus z square by 2 into x power 5 y power 5 plus z power 5 by 5 is equal to x power 7 plus y power 7 plus z power 7 by 7. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath once again.